Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, in this video, I will be going through the process of setting up Google Analytics in a React application. So, Google Analytics is a Google managed services that allows us to track the website traffic on our website application to know the number of users that are using the application, where they are coming from, and to basically track the performance of our application in general. Without much ado, let's jump right in. Yeah, so just to start with, for this tutorial, I'll be using a Vite setup, React setup, that a Vite based application that I've set up with Vite. Also, this application is deployed on GitHub and is deployed on Versa. So the application can be live so that we can use the live link in our Google Analytics setup. So you need this to get started. You can use other deployment option. You can use Netlify. You can use NGO for local deployment. You just need the application, the React application, to be deployed online so that we can use that in our Google Analytics setup. Yeah. So when you come to your analytics, you can set up your account. If you don't have one already, just go to analytics.google.com and get yourself an account. So when you logged in, you'll be brought to this home page. If you have an existing project that's been tracked, you see them here. So if you don't have anyone, you can just come to the admin settings icon here and click on that. So you will be able to create a property. A property is like a definite definition for your each of your websites. So we have three websites. You create property for each website of what you want to track. So right now I'm going to click on create property. Yeah, so it takes me to this page to for me to give more information about the website that I want to track. So the property name, I'm going to say something like sample React. United States, the reporting time zone, just leave out United States, and then we go to the next option. So the business details, I'll say my industry category is education, just say health, and then the business size 1 to 1. So you give these details to Google Analytics so I can just by default suggest some analytics that is gonna track to you. Then click on next. Then you can choose your business objectives. Again, these are not mentioned in stones. These are just pointers for Google Analytics to know what data to supply to you by default. Let's say generate lead, dev alliances, with brand awareness. Then you can click on create property. So the property has been created. Now you need to select the platform that you want to track, whether it's an Android app and iOS app. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using web for now. So you click on web. So you can now set up your data stream. This is where we enter our website link and the stream name. So we can go to our website, copy this link. Yeah, it's HTTPS. We paste it here. And then the website name, let's move this. Yeah, the stream name, let's say sample React also. Then you can create a stream. Yeah, and it's getting us started. So this is the web stream details. Yeah, Google Analytics is giving us a measurement ID that we can use in our code to track our application. Uh, it gives us a default installation instructions that we can just include. Let's say we have an HTML code. We are going to use this. But for us, we are using a React application. So we are going to use a third-party library called React GA4 that allows us to use Google Analytics right inside our React application. We're going to be using that inside our React. So we are going to install React GA4 into our React application, and then we're going to use this ID to set up tracking in our application. Yeah, so let's do that. Now I mean in my React code, say, let's install the library package React GA4. Installing that. Yeah, we have that installed. And let's go to the documentation. So all we have to do is to import the library into our, we are importing to the base JSX, the main JSX file. Then we can we need to initialize our uh, our Google Analytics inside our React app using the ID that is showing on our dashboard at the moment. So you can find that on the dashboard here. We're going to use this measurement ID. This is what Google Analytics will be using to map our website onto the Google Analytics dashboard. So you can see our data right here. Then you can copy this and paste that right here. So this way we've initialized our code to communicate with Google Analytics. So if you come to the library here, you can see the different things we can, after we initialize the different things we can track. So we can just track the page view, we can use custom path, you can track events. So but for the aim of this tutorial, we are just going to set up just the page view setup just to track the page view of the site. So I'm doing after initializing the React GA package with the measurement ID that Google Analytics gave us. I'm going to use React GA to send the it type that I'm specifying is the page view. So whenever somebody is coming to the page view, I'm sending the current page, which is the window, the location, the path name. I'm sending it to Google Analytics. So right now I'm just tracking the page view of the React application. So for this our tutorial, this is the minimum we need to get this working. Definitely, you can set up something like based on different pages or different part of the website. You can track a whole lot of other data. So right now we're just going to be tracking the page view. So let's push this code that we have, add ID. So our code will be live on the website. So this ID will now be so the ID can be working on the website. So we go to our GitHub, have the branch, and it's building. So this is live now. So these changes is made. So when you go to the website, so the website is live right here. So when we go back to our analytics page, we should be getting some data that somebody's visiting our website since we've set up the ID of the tracker on the website because it's literally live there right now. So we go back to the analytics page. So it's saying that data collection is pending. Let's continue to home. So when we get to our home page, we literally get this view that our data collection is active. It's telling us that Google Analytics is already tracking our website. So you can see the one user in last minute. Let me try to open this same app in another browser. If I go back to the analytics, you see, it's probably going to see, so it's still telling us one user in the last minute. So right now we can see it's even telling us the country, and you can see it's telling us to users in last 30 minutes. So I've visited the pages 2 times. So you literally can get insight to your website at the moment. And you can also visit another tab, the reports tab, that give you more insight into more of the reports. You can see real-time data of your website. It's telling you the device category, the locations. These are a whole lot of information that may be useful for your business. And that's literally the process of setting up your React. Just to recap what we've done, we literally have a React application. We set up our we have a base React application. We set up our Google Analytics property right on the dashboard. We input our business details and we selected the platform type that we're trying to track, which is website. Then we get the measurement ID, the one that we put in our React code using the React GA4 library. And then we set up a tracker to send a page view. And boom, we have our data being reported, the alerts being reported on the Google Analytics dashboard. And that's it for setting up Google Analytics in React. I hope this is able to explain well about setting up Google Analytics in React. If you have any question, please hit me in the comment section. Thank you.